With a sturdy wooden frame, quality textured fabric, and dense seat cushions, this pair of chairs gives the appearance of high-end furniture. Rest assured that nested in the packaging with care, each wooden piece is padded with bubble wrap to avoid scuffing. And the chair legs come with adjustable feet to achieve balance and stability.
It's trying to make me run away from you.
You may be surprised to find out that the chair backing is partly detachable so that during assembly you can reach the inner holes to connect the arms. Then the fabric reattaches seamlessly for a finished look. You'd never know by looking at it. The matching side table is a suitable size for the airy accent chairs, and it arrives with small pads attached on the bottom to prevent floor scratches. Once you build this set, all that's left is to sit back and enjoy.